So what I don't know, share the Negus, you see me? It's one nation and it's not the podcast. Welcome back to Negus Speaks. My name is Negus Imara, and this is where I talk about any and everything. You understand? Hot topics, sharing personal experiences, whatever it is. As long as it's hot, me talk about it. But the other day I created a piece of content, targeting younger males, but it seemed like some adult males had the same problem as well. Some of them reach out to me. And share, them testimony and them thing, you understand? Even some parents reached out to me and, asking for help how to, talk to them younger children about watching explicit material and stuff like that, is it me? So, we're also going to share a couple of the video couple of the conversation them, or the messages. The first one, it say, "Good afternoon. I just watched your no-fap video, and it really motivated me because I've been struggling with this for like 4 years now. And I had no one to turn to about the matter, and that video was really motivating. Everything you said that was bad happened. Straight facts. I really appreciate it. Big up yourself, bro. You understand? Thank you for watching the content." We have another one here. It's a, "Yo, hide my ID." the dog no one reveal my identity. You see me? But it's a video where you just put up about stop back fist. It inspire me, my G. Respect for the help and looking out for the younger youths. And not only younger youths, some adult men also. You see me? Respect. You see me? So big up the youths, then big up the young men and the older men. You know what I mean? We have that problem and, saw my video as some form of help. And we even have a parent here that reached out and she said, "My son is going to start high school and me a fret, sigh. I don't know how to start the conversation because in my eyes at 11, he's still a baby. Sigh. You're right. He's still a baby. But society's influence is going to be a rotted influence if you make society grab your youth before you grab your youth. You understand? So you better grab your youth before society grab your youth. Because when you send your youth in a society with a wrong and right mentality, meaning them can tell what is right from wrong, most times you're going to win. They're going to challenge certain ideas in a society and say, so my mother said this or my father said that. So before them go out in a society, make sure you grab them. Don't pre the age. Because them same 11-year-old youth, them bad pan the electronics, better than me and you right now with the electronics. So what else can they be good at or easily grab? That's bad for them. So grab a youth before society grab a youth, you see me? But that's not what I wanted to come here and talk about. I saw a video. A follower of mine tagged me into this video on TikTok. Make sure you follow me up on a social media platform, them TikTok and Instagram. Negus_IMARA. Understand? Negus Imara. Negus_Imara. And them tagged me in the video, and it just so happened that this is what I was talking about all this time when I created that piece of content. You see me? When it comes to discipline and them thing there. I'm gonna play the video real quick. You see me? Here we go.
Control your fucking sexual urges, fellas. If you want to be someone that goes out there and achieves incredible things, goes out there and becomes one of the best in his industry, you need to be laser focused. You can't be going out there fucking anything that moves. Have some self-respect. But most importantly, have some discipline. Because it takes a lot to become a success. I mean, if you read the book Think and Grow Rich, one of the key components of that book, one of the key lessons that you can take from it is to control your sexual desires. Because if you don't control them, they will control you. And you will be a slave to your desires, and you will distract yourself with pleasure. And then you'll end up being 40 or 50 years old and having never achieved anything great in your life because you are too busy chasing tail. Fucking focus. And if you have a great woman by your side, that's incredible. She'll help you become even greater. But don't go out there having fucking pointless sex. Fucking focus, man.
There we go. You understand? Everything with the G just a while ago is major facts. You can't run down every day, run down kitty cat every day. If that is your main focus in a life, chasing tail, getting a new nanny, you understand? You're going to lose in a life. That you're going to lose because that is considered fun, right? Getting a new girl, smashing a new girl every day is considered fun, right? Let's say you also enjoy playing basketball every day, which is fun to a lot of people. Imagine playing basketball every day, not focusing on your schoolwork, not focusing on building your future. and you reach 25, 30, 35, 40, realize that, yo, damn, all the days of my life I've been playing basketball. That's the same way you must look at chasing tail, aka getting some new nanny. Them same girl the way I chase right now in your youth where you're supposed to be building, you can get them same girl and even better when you establish yourself as a grown man. What do you want? Do you want to spend all the days of your life chasing women? Is that what you want to do? Nobody now say you can't, indulge in some activities with women, you know what I mean? But if that's going to be everything, you're all and everything, you're going to lose in a life. You have to have some form of discipline. And when that discipline is perfected, you are a very dangerous man. Do you know how dangerous you are when you can say no to some vaginal cavity? Nobody not say you're a bored man, What does I say? You're at a point in your life where that's not the main goal. The main goal is not to get some new nanny because I got bigger things to deal with right now. I got a future to build. I got to buy this property right here. I got to make sure my employees are paid. You have to work on yourself. Discipline is key. I was listening to this Marine, and him said discipline start with making your bed in the morning. Every day, get up and make your bed. Because for one, when you make your bed, you're not going to lay it back down at night. If your bed is unmade, you don't want to lay down back in your bed. Even if you're back in your bed, then on your phone or scroll or watch movie or whatever, what this and that. But once you make your bed, you're not going to want to lay back down in that. You're going to want to be productive. That's like brushing your teeth before bed so you don't eat nothing in the night time. Discipline. I know a lot of people who are not where they're supposed to be. Because why? The main focus all the days of them life is to get some new vaginal cavity. Make a girl sit down on the garbo and ball out. Is that really important? And then when you reach 30, you reach 40, you realize you're not accomplished nothing in a life. Because why? Your main focus and goal was to get some new vaginal cavity. You're going to miss out on the building process. And you're going to start, and even if you do realize in your 30s or 40s, you've just wasted a lot of years that you could have built and perfected who you are. Perfect your discipline. I'm telling you this right now. This is what I'm teaching you right now. I wish that I had that focus and that discipline when it mattered. I am now focused for sure. I can tell you this right now. I have 2 separate inbox. I have 2 inbox right now. TikTok, I'm have Instagram. With a ton load of beautiful women. Grown and young. Legal, might I add. Old and young. Them want a piece of the boy. I'm not bragging. For the people who think, oh, what's my bragger? I'm not bragging. But I'm just saying, I have 2 inbox right now where I can utilize. Some of these women live where I live. But you know what? I'm too focused for that right now. My days of having fun is over. I wasted a lot of time chasing tail. I wasted a lot of time trying to get some new nanny. You think relations with a woman are nice? You think saying that nice, you go to a woman drop it in her wet mouth and she'll look at dead in your blood clear eye while she deal with the thing wicked. I be a slappy son and spit her on and be so you think say that not nice? You think say it not nice when a girl goes to a woman skin out the pretty kitty again? You think say that not nice? But you know what's nicer than that? Securing your future. That nicer than any vagina, I can tell you this right now, youth. If I started focusing on my future and the building process of my future when I was in my early 20s instead of chasing tail, I would have been a great... But I wasted a lot of time. So right now I'm playing catch up. And I'm creating this content for the young man them right now. Stay focused. Focus on your goal. As I tell you, I have 2 inbox right now full of catty. Some hot girl. Some hot girl. May I tell you that? But what? I'm too focused on building my future right now. Them can't wait. Because you know why them can't wait? Them girl and I spend for them life a chase man. So while you go some man, you chase them a build for them future while you chase them, you know. They want to have fun too, and they're going to have fun, which they should. But them a build for them future while you are chase them. So when time them build for them future now, and you go some now and you still have fun and you know build your future, and them are relax and you know in a life and them accomplish certain things, them a look on you who never accomplished nothing, and them not gonna want you no more because them want a man pan fit them level. Do you want to be that guy they push aside as Billy Man say? Do you want to be that guy? I know I don't want to be that guy. I like women of substance. I like women who have things. I like women who want to be something in a life, and they want man who want something in a life. So you have to make sure you are that man that have something in a life to offer. No woman now go take up no tegarega no waste man. Understand that, young youth. So if you not focus in life and building what needs to be built at this point in time, you have to go play catch up at 30 and 40. As I say, I know a whole heap of youth will dedicate them life to finding some new vaginal cavity. And them is nobody right now. They are nobody, unfortunately. When I style them, but as I said, don't let that be you. Want something out of life. Want something great for yourself. You can't keep chasing tail and not building you. You know how dangerous you're going to be when you can refuse vaginal cavity? You're like, no, not today. I'm kind of busy right now. Or, you know what I mean? Yo, let's link over the weekend. I got a lot of work ahead of me. You have some man who put down them work just for go run up in some tight hole. And the repeated busting of nuts make them lose focus. Because, as I say, you know, we got to be one back office, you know. So you got to be one back office. You spread your seed, right? You bust the juice them where I got beneficial to your body. You're going lazy, unmotivated. You're not going to want to do it. You procrastinate. This is not the case for everybody, but for most of you. Because even after you got to have relations and you stay so, and bust one juice, what the first thing you want to do? You want to go sleep, lazy down, your body tired. That also affects your mind. Your mind is going to be tired. So don't focus on chasing tail 24/7. You're going to lose. You're going to lose. Discipline. Discipline, my brother. Discipline. See? Discipline, as I say. I have 2 inbox full of catty. We want the garbo in their mouth right now. You think someone want to look down upon one of them and look up at me with a stick in our mouth? I would love that. But you want to know what? I don't have time for that right now. I forget to know them. You know what I mean? Some of them don't want to go eat or whatever. But I know some of them want to. I rather talk to a girl and I know already right now. We just get to it. Do. Going back to my business. But that consistent chasing of new vaginal cavity is a waste of time. I'm save you right now. I tell you this. If you not maintain discipline, you're going to play catch up when you're 30 and 40. Don't want to play catch up, youths. Do the right thing right now. Build your future, secure your future. Because them same girl where you chase, them a build for them future. And when them done build for them future, I look back on you whenever build yours, them are going to push you to the side. Wise up, gentlemen. You understand? Bless up yourself. This is Negus Imara and you're watching Negus Speaks. You understand all the things that on the King step? Make sure you like, share, comment button, everything, subscribe, notification bell. You understand? If you say you want more content, just leave another comment. You want to see what you want to hear and me deliver. You understand? Because me have the product. Just tell me where you want me deliver it. You understand? Up move.